On today's menu, a simple and delicious broth that would next level your bowl of noodles. A simple veggie ramen stock. Lei Hou Ma, I'm Will Young from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Now there are definitely a million different ways of making veggie stock, and this is only one of them, but this is also the first recipe in the vegan ramen cookbook. And once you make this incredibly easy, simple, but delicious veggie stock, you're off to making some amazing ramen. Peel and roughly chop one onion. Chop in half one garlic bulb. Stock pot. Medium heat. A good drizzle of olive oil. Onions. Garlic. Saute for 5 to 8 minutes. Chop 4 sticks of celery and add it to the pot. Chop 1 Fuji apple and add it to the pot. Saute for another 5 to 8 minutes. 1 potato chopped. About 6 large cremini mushrooms chopped. Right, so these are dry shiitake mushrooms. They add an amazing umami, sort of salty type of flavor, and they're really commonly used in a vegetarian or vegan version of a ramen stock. I prefer using the cremini mushrooms to start because we're just making a very basic ramen stock today, but you can also further flavor this stock with some amazing dry shiitake mushrooms if you like. I personally find them a little bit too pungent for a general stock. Mushrooms and potato. Two tablespoons Himalayan pink salt. This is some incredible kombu, considered the king of seaweed because it's really, really thick and just gives it this really nice umami, salty kind of ocean flavor. Gotta add this into the stock and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. Roughly 10 grams of kombu. Add 12 cups or 3 liters of water. So this is again just a really simple, basic veggie ramen stock, and by no means do you have to follow this super strictly because many a times I don't make this the same way as I do today, depending on what I have in the fridge. For instance, the white onion, I might use green onions, And cremated mushrooms, I might use another type of mushrooms that I have in the fridge that needs to be used up. So this is just a super simple ramen stock just to help you get started. That's easy and unintimidating, but absolutely delicious. Turn up the heat to bring to a boil, then cover and cook on medium-low for at least 45 minutes, but ideally an hour and a half to 2 hours. That smells really incredible. Pour the stock into a large bowl using a sieve or colander to catch the solid ingredients. I just so happened to have a colander that fits right on top. Really helps press out all of that amazing juice. Just give it a bit of a toss. Then, same thing again. This recipe makes about 11 cups worth of veggie stock and will be good for a few weeks in the fridge. You can now make this simple ramen veggie stock with absolute confidence. That looks beautiful and that smells really good. That's just wonderful. So comforting. Has a little bit of that sweetness from that amazing Fuji apple. It's a little bit salty and has that full body sort of texture from the potatoes. And you taste that bit of a salty umami flavor from the kombu. That's really, really nice. And the flavor is just complex, even though it's just such a simple veggie stock. You get that nice flavor from the onions and the garlic, which really makes up kind of the base of this stock. That is really delicious. And the best part is, this is just the basic version. So when you go and make your ramen, you can further flavor this stock as you see fit. That is the definition of liquid gold. Just phenomenal. By the way, if you'd like to find out more information or get your copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook, you can definitely do that in the link in the description box below. And in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that masterclass is a 5-class series designed and curated to help you make stunning and delicious sushi right at home. That is the masterclass you'll really eat up. Of course, as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.